Welcome to the world of tomorrow, where technology and nature live in perfect harmony.
Aerial transportation is no longer a dream. It is the heartbeat of our daily commute.
Our cities are no longer concrete jungles, but living, breathing oxygen factories.
The data streams are perfectly synchronized now.
Excellent work. This will accelerate the whole project.
It truly is a beautiful day to be building the future.
Smart homes anticipate our every need before we even speak a word.
Hyperloop technology connects distant cities in a matter of minutes.
Deliveries are now instantaneous, bypassing traffic and reaching every doorstep.
Sector Gamma, grid stabilization required.
Rerouting energy flow to Substation 9er, traffic adjusting automatically.
Look at the rings on Saturn. It's incredible. It feels so real. I want to learn everything about it.
Medical breakthroughs have turned the tide against once incurable diseases.
Clean water and fresh air are now fundamental rights for every citizen. Clean water and fresh air are now fundamental rights for every citizen.
We no longer need electricity to light the night. Nature does it for us.
We no longer need electricity to light the night. Nature does it for us.
Farming has moved into the city, providing fresh, pesticide-free food for everyone.
Welcome to the summit. It's wonderful that we can connect so easily now.
Thank you. This technology changes everything for global cooperation.
Renewable energy is the core driver of our modern, sustainable civilization. The vast blue oceans are our new frontier for sustainable living spaces. The vast blue oceans are our new frontier for sustainable living spaces. Gently shift your weight forward. Perfect synchronization. Your energy flow is excellent today. Knowledge is at our fingertips, preserved in the great digital archives of humanity.
Transportation is now silent, peaceful, and completely emission-free.
Our celebrations are now digital masterpieces, painting the sky with light. Our celebrations are now digital masterpieces, painting the sky with light. This city never sleeps.
Join us in this incredible journey. Welcome to your future.